Feeling at for the first time am I right? Nagkatambal kayo?
Opo.
Excited and honored. Pascual.
I'm speechless. I mean, when my director told me it was gonna be with Bossing, sabi ko, wow. Even when we were shooting, it was like a dream come true even now. So it's surreal. I mean, come on, he's an icon. He's Big Soto. It's living the dream. So I'm humbled by it. I'm so thrilled because nakasama ko siya sa isang napaka-importanteng pelikula at nakita ko kung gaano niya kamahal yung ginagawa niya. I mean, being in the business for so many years yet. He's still the Big Soto. Nag-iisa lang ang Big Soto, so malaking karangalan for me to be able to do a movie with him.
Ano bang eksena sa set? Katatawanan ba? Serious kayo? Anong eksena
exact
doon?
opposite.
Anong memorable
From start to
moments?
finish, it's a serious film.
Yeah.
Kasi we're
okay.
dealing with serious matters
Yeah.
about the country, about the family, about personal issues, about social issues. So, hindi pwedeng
Hindi pwedeng
biruin.
tumika.
Hindi pwedeng biruin eh.
So,
Talagang
may kanya-kanya kami
internalizing
just to
kayo.
ensure that we don't mingle with each other, that we stick to our characters.
So, papapi, ibang-iba to sa role mo
Yeah.
last year.
Sobrang iba, sobrang challenging, pero sobrang fulfilling. Kasi para kang nasa Hollywood set. The set was built, the locations were really set up, the costumes, the PD. So, lakas maka-legit ng pelikula.
And bossing, you're back, di ba? After, being absent.
More
then.
than 5 years.
Oo. So, how does it
The last
feel
movie
to be
was,
back?
2018.
Wow.
I was nervous at first. Well, hanggang ngayon naman, nervous pa rin naman ako. And considering it's something out of my comfort zone, na doing a serious character from start to finish, hanggang sa katapusan ng movie, ng film, it was a very big challenge for me. But as my partner here, Piolo, said earlier, it's very fulfilling. And I realized how good this actor is, and and how serious he is with his craft.
So, when this project was first brought up to you, hindi ka ba nagdalawang isip? Kasi this is something that's out of what you usually do, na serious ka.
Hindi lang dalawang isip. Apat yan.
Hindi nakatulog.
When it first, when Direct Mike presented the concept to me, I didn't know what to say eh. But sabi niya, this is a serious movie, ganito, ganyan. It's about a kingdom, it's about ano yan, period. I thought all along it was a period movie. No, sabi niya present time. Medyo naging, interesting. Sino mga kasama natin? We're negotiating with Piolo Pascual. Oh, okay na. Okay na, sige, bahala na. Go!
Thank you, Bossy. Happy birthday.
Bago yung mga followers nyo, bossing. And sa tingin mo, magugustuhan din talaga nila.
Oh yes, definitely. Lalo na yung mga younger generations, you know, the Gen Z, the millennials.
Yeah.
I think it's some sort of an awakening.
Yeah, it's something that people need.
Yeah.
Something that we need nowadays. So you don't just watch a film just to be entertained, but to also learn from it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So, magbabago ang pananaw namin after watching this film.
Nasa sa'yo.
Kasi
Like, makaka-apekto ba to sa the way we elect our next
it's
leaders?
not trying to preach. But at the end of the day, this is just a film that it's fictional, but it's for you to process for yourself.
Okay.
Ang
So,
tawagan ng
hopefully-
aming direktor alternative reality.
Yeah.
Okay. AR.
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 Susunod ito VR.
Whether it's democracy, ano man siya, what's important is paano ba aasenso ang tao? How can we alleviate the poor? How can we make it comfortable for everyone?
Ako siguro, ang biggest takeaway ko dito is, you know, aside from it being drama genre, it's not necessarily political but it's family. It's all about family. Doon naman nagsimula yung conflict kung bakit nagkagulo. But kung meron lang sistema talaga, kung maganda lang talaga yung mga rules and laws natin, yun nga marami talagang pros and cons. So it's up to the audience to understand or to give their opinion or for them to realize ano ba ang tamang form ng government. And this is what we're trying to give them, the alternative.